The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. When the Vietnamese go out to celebrate, they often order an expensive 7-course meal known as beef in 7 ways. This tangy fondue is always served as the first course, as it really gets the taste buds going. Bo ung duong duong translates literally to beef dipped in vinegar, and it is essentially a Vietnamese shabu-shabu. Guests gather around a simmering pot of aromatic vinegar-lemongrass broth at the dining table, dipping paper-thin slices of raw beef into the hot liquid until just cooked, then wrapping the tender beef in softened rice paper along with fresh herbs, cucumber, and vegetables to create their own personalized spring rolls. Each roll is then dunked into a zesty fish sauce dip before eating. The broth is not meant to be consumed as a soup. Its sole purpose is to cook and lightly flavor the meat. The combination of tangy vinegar, fragrant lemongrass, and the interactive, communal nature of the meal makes this one of the most memorable and convivial dishes in Vietnamese cuisine. The beef. Sirloin steak in 1 piece, 1 pound. Large onion, thinly sliced, 1. Spring onions, sliced diagonally, 2. Oil, 1 tablespoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Lemongrass dip, oil, 1 tablespoon. Garlic cloves minced, 4 probble. Fresh ginger root, peeled and thinly sliced, 1 piece. Water, 3 cups. White vinegar, 3/4 cup. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Tomato paste, 1 tablespoon. Lemongrass stalks, thick bottom part only, outer layers discarded, inner part bruised, 2. Salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons. Fish sauce dip, makes 1 1/2 portions. Finger-length chilies, deseeded and sliced, 3, 5. Garlic cloves, 5. Sugar, 3/4 cup. Freshly squeezed lime juice, 4 1/2 tablespoons. Vinegar, 1 1/2 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 4 1/2 tablespoons. Water, 3/4 cup. Salt, 3/4 teaspoon. Accompaniments: dried rice paper wrappers, 16. Lettuce leaves, 16. Mint leaves, 1/2 cup. Coriander leaves, 1/2 cup. Small cucumber, halved lengthwise, thinly sliced, 1. Ripe tomatoes, quartered, 2. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the fish sauce dip. Grind the chilies and garlic to a coarse paste in a mortar or blender. Combine with the sugar, lime juice, vinegar, fish sauce, water, and salt. Mix thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Set aside. This can be prepared well in advance and refrigerated. Step 2. Chill and slice the beef. Wrap the whole sirloin steak in plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for 30 minutes until semi-frozen. This firming step is essential. It allows you to slice the meat paper thin across the grain, producing delicate slices that will cook almost instantly in the hot broth. Once semi-frozen, unwrap the steak and use a very sharp knife to slice it as thinly as possible across the grain. Aim for translucency. Each slice should be no more than 1–2 mm thick. Step 3. Arrange the beef platter. Arrange the thin beef slices in a single layer on a large serving platter. Scatter some of the thinly sliced onion and diagonally sliced spring onions over the top. Drizzle with the 1 tablespoon of oil and sprinkle with the freshly ground black pepper. Cover loosely with plastic wrap and set aside in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Step 4. Prepare the lemongrass. Take the 2 lemongrass stalks and discard the tough outer layers. Using only the thick bottom portion, bruise the inner core by pressing down firmly with the flat side of a knife blade or by bending and twisting the stalk in your hands. Bruising releases the essential oils and aromatic compounds that will infuse the broth. Step 5. Prepare the accompaniments. Dip the dried rice paper wrappers briefly in warm water to soften them, then stack them on a damp cloth. Wash and dry the lettuce leaves, mint leaves, and coriander leaves. Have the cucumber lengthwise and slice it thinly. Quarter the ripe tomatoes. Arrange all accompaniments attractively on platters and in small bowls around the table so guests can easily reach them. Cooking steps. Step 1. Sauté the aromatics. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot or saucepan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and the thinly sliced ginger. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden. Do not let the garlic burn. It should be aromatic and just turning color. Step 2. Build the lemongrass dip. Add the 3 cups of water, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, the 2 bruised lemongrass stalks, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Stir well to combine. The tomato paste adds a subtle depth of flavor and a warm amber tint to the broth. Step 3. Simmer the broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let the broth simmer gently for 10 minutes. This simmering period allows the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic to fully infuse the vinegar broth with their aromas. The broth should taste tangy, slightly sweet, and fragrant. Step 4. Transfer to the fondue pot. Remove the pot from the stove. Carefully transfer the hot lemongrass dip to a steamboat, fondue pot, or any heat-safe pot that can be placed on a portable tabletop burner. Keep the broth simmering over low heat at the dining table. Step 5. Set the table. Place the simmering lemongrass dip in the center of the dining table. Arrange the beef platter, the remaining sliced onion and spring onions, All the accompaniments, softened rice paper wrappers, lettuce leaves, mint, coriander, cucumber, tomatoes, and small dipping bowls of fish sauce. Dip around the fondue pot so everything is within easy reach of every guest. Step 6. Cook, wrap, and enjoy. Invite your guest to take a slice of beef with chopsticks and dip it briefly into the hot, simmering lemongrass dip. The beef needs only a few seconds, just until it changes color from red to pink or brown, indicating it is just cooked. Remove the beef from the broth, place it on a softened rice paper wrapper, add lettuce, herbs, cucumber, and tomato to taste, then roll it up like a spring roll. Dip the roll into the fish sauce, dip and enjoy. Repeat, cook, roll, eat, and socialize at a leisurely pace.